Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a sprite and defining its data. Create variables like x, y, state, and speed so you can control position and behavior. Once done, add costumes for animations and enable or disable rotation to fit your movement style. Next, place an initialization script. Set starting x and y, set state to idle, and set speed to a practical number. This gets the NPC ready for logic and keeps your code organized as you move into behavior implementation. You now implement the active behavior loop. Create a forever loop that reads state and runs movement or animation blocks. Make custom blocks like patrol, chase, and idle to keep things modular, then broadcast transitions when conditions change. Use distance checks to the player's sprite. If closer than a threshold, switch to chase, otherwise patrol or idle. Make sure to update X and Y gradually using speed, and flip costumes for walking. This keeps motion smooth and predictable while simplifying debugging. Finish by adding collision and interaction logic so the NPC behaves correctly in the game world. Implement boundaries to stop it leaving the stage, and add contact triggers that broadcast damage or dialogue events when touching the player. Once complete, playtest multiple scenarios and watch the state variable changes. This helps you spot glitches quickly. If the NPC jitters or freezes, reduce movement step size, add wait 0.05 seconds in loops, and ensure state transitions are mutually exclusive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.